Hello viewer, if your YouTube clip feature removed, let's see how to fix YouTube clip button not showing or missing problem. Step 1. Go to your YouTube app. Now click on your YouTube profile from the lower right corner. Now click on Setting from the top right corner. Now scroll down. Click on Help. Now from the bottom, click on Send Feedback. Tap on Get Started. Now allow one-time access. Now in the feedback section, write down, "Hi YouTube support team, my YouTube clip option not showing in my YouTube app. Please fix this issue as soon as possible." Then send your feedback to the YouTube team. Now go back and follow the most important part. Tap and hold on YouTube app. Click on I button. Now scroll down. Click on Storage. Now from the lower right corner, clear cache from YouTube app. Now go back. Now click on Force Stop. Now force stop your YouTube app. Now go back. Now click on App Details in Store. Now update your YouTube app. After complete the update process, open your YouTube app and open a video. Now see, YouTube clip option missing problem successfully solved.